The tragedy is that the ADBP aganzula Malawi ndi anthu opusa kuti iwo angapange feature candidate yo sali fiti foti adakula ndi okalamba ali matenda ambirimbiri wa ukalamba munthu ndeti thupi la gonja mafupa saugwira bwino nthawi zinasolo mmutumu sukumbukira zinthu nthawi zinawo kuti apa msana uwawa nyamakazi chani you slow down. That's why nkhalamba sizigwiritsa ntchito timapanga take over ana usamala nkhalamba. ADBP thinks kuti katene kuti Peter Mutharika thinks kuti Malawi ndi opusa kuti iye akuzima kukhala ku nyumba because ndi okalamba, not a fault of his basi thayata. Then Malawi adzangodzuka pa 16 September basi boom tasankha Peter Mutharika kuti ndiye president. Why? Because he has the name of Mutharika and so he has proven leadership. Sizikhala choncho. Mutharika is not fit. Ndipo Malawi, let's be serious. I mean, ngati Mutharika aupanga front anthu ena to do campaign. Kuna dada wina angapanga front. Actually, what he's doing, he's just showing how things can be. If he can be elected, what it means that actually azachiro onjezi tsopano kuti ndasankhidwa ndiye panopa adzadisesa ndi anthu enawo. But the question is, anthu enawo sanapite pa ballot ngati president fire. Why they not on ballot as presidential candidate? Ngarafuna president. And as the Malawians, we will not really hold them accountable. The other one doesn't kufuna while he's sleeping because of old age. Is that what Malawians? The fact that we prepare campaign, what makes us think kuti uza gira president? Chino president is very hectic. For example, Perere azgaendera pa Galimoto, like he did by Jamba kuti basu khala Galimoto. He's supposed to Perere was regard azgaendera Galimoto. He's supposed to stay long day, for example, 6th July. President, the whole day will stay here. Somebody can now president. There's a great change. Agarandira my diplomats ku State House. Kukhala bwino zolongo soka sanga kapanga speneso. Ndiri azikapanga delegate. Just like he's delegating. Anakanika even upira kwapanga launch manifesto yawo ku Mount Sochi. Ubwera apa anakola mpaka pano sinaone. Since that mpaka pano sinaone. My point is, if he's doing these things, now any candidate could have campaign what it means that government will also be run by those people. Outside of a ballot. Now, should we send Mutharika to State House because probably there is a better bed in State House than his own in Kumangochi. That we should just be looking after him without him working. Because essentially, what it means is that with our taxes, when he's not paying back, you have got to offer a service. I've got to offer a service of Director General. In a day, NBC pays me a salary every month without fail. It's not a free salary. I'm supposed to work. So what about a president? Malawi, let's be serious. I would prove leadership. Which prove leadership as the Mutharika display in this country? That they can show it's proof leadership. He has not given us any plan. He has not promised anything. He just said proof leadership. When did he provide proof leadership? The Mutharikas, including Bingwa Mutharika and Peter Mutharika, have just taken from this country without giving back. And this I can say, Masomulgwa, Bingwa Mutharika, and his brother, the one that is a candidate with DBB, they have taken more from this country than they have given. This Peter Mutharika, we know he was abroad. He was not paying tax in this country. He was abroad for many years. He only came here without investing anything. Today, he wants to be a current president. His old age, we should be the ones looking after him. He's not going to look after him as former president, but he wants to build the State House. Now, as Malawians, are we serious? And the few times that it comes out, Zoipa, the tribalism, regionalism, the DPP is gaining currency. I heard Jenny answer saying it also. I think you can live with that. Is a Chad, southern region. It is horses, so, what should people, I wouldn't think? Could it be DPP Cabera? Is that the sources of Isabella? Can they go to Longa than the anti-campaign? Because he got to need force. You know, we're not in front of that, but you have said you are going to damage the Longway. Muzarengas in sources of Blanta. When the Longway is his headquarters, the Longway is the capital city. So, why do you want our votes? Your aim is to damage the Longway. Central region. Your aim is to damage the central region. That's regionalism. That's tribalism. Typical of this old man. That's how they ruled themselves. It was regional. Regionalism, tribalism, and they're saying it without shame. Because that's what they're going to do. It's the capital city.
Quota system.
It's quota system. It's the same thing. The quota system is very. So the question is, should we really give power to such a group and elect him to run the South campaign? He has promised nothing. Have we heard? Has he promised anything in this country? They are strong on economy. Have they promised anything on the economy? Nothing. There's no plan. There was nothing. They are sleeping. While somebody is busy touring the whole northern region, he wasn't gone. And they think Malawians are going to reward the Ogona. Unless Malawians are mad. We're going to see the people.